Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be learning how to invert colors on an iPhone. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. So steps are going to be pretty simple. So first of all, what you are going to be doing is that you need to be heading over to settings. So as you can see, I have settings on the bottom left side of my screen. Simply click on settings, and here you need to scroll a little bit down until you can find your accessibility option. So under home screen and above wallpaper, you can see we have this option of accessibility. Head over to that, and here we need to scroll a little bit down again until you can find display. I'm sorry, you do not need to scroll. You can see we have this display and text size. Simply click on that, and now we need to simply scroll a little bit down. So you can see we have different type of invert options in here. We have smart invert, so this is going to be acting a little bit smart, and it is not going to be inverting colors. So you see those weird bizarre looking colors when you invert colors on like Android devices. It just inverts literally every single thing that is on your screen. It is not going to be doing that. In fact, it is going to be analyzing what is picture, video, or stuff like that. Like for example, if I smart invert, you can see the button is not turned into purple or something like that. But if I do the classic invert, it is going to be inverting everything out, and you can see the button just changed it into purple and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the difference between these two inverts, and that's how you can invert your colors on an iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.